Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com. Today is Tuesday, March the 9th, 2010. Okay, what do we got going on in the market here? Well, I'll tell you, smart money, according to our MPT rating, has consistently sold their stock to those people who don't know any better. If you're late to the rally, you're late. You missed it. Cry about it, but please don't buy into it. You're running out of time here. The charts are clearly telling us that the bulls are in control here because of the breakout that we saw on not as bad as feared unemployment data. We won't even discuss how retarded that is, but anyway, uh, on a technical breakout, the bulls are in control there, but it's a breakout. Let's lower that right quick, pull it down. See right here? You got a breakout on the NASDAQ right here. That breakout is after this run up. You got all this run right here, all these unfilled gaps right here. Okay, support's down here. See support way here, and up here we have the breakout. So, granted, you got room to run there, but again, you got to look at the indicators. Overbought, overbought. Why is it overbought? Because the breakout didn't happen down here; it happened up here. So, your upside is limited. You're basically, if you're a bull, you're trading on borrowed time. And the real money trade is going to be the short by bears. And that's what our MPT rating is telling us as well, is that's why smart money is dumping their stock. They're not going to sell it all off and then let you take it 100% higher. I mean, that's kind of retarded. What do you think they're going to do? They're going to short it. All right. Something of concern we need to be watching here. If you look at the Dow Jones here, that's two inverted hammers back to back right here. Let me go ahead and see if I can give you a little closer view on that. See right there? You got two upside down, looks like hammers. Yeah, that's showing resistance right there at that same level we saw yesterday. I said it would probably try and shake it off today. It did, but it didn't close up. I did make a higher high, but it didn't close up. So it's actually having some real problems here. I would keep a sharp eye on that, like I mentioned yesterday. If this breaks down, all right, let me get something right quick. If this fails to move to the upside and break out here, you're going to have a major potential downtrend developing, and that's really not any. I mean, I don't care who you are; it's not bullish. So you don't want to see this start to trend lower. If it starts moving to the downside, that's going to give more confidence to the bears. You're going to come in that much harder. So be looking at this. Pay close attention to that. You also have the short-term overbought conditions here and here. That's keeping pressure on this right here. And any breakout would be short-lived as far as you wouldn't have a lot more to go. I mean, you have a pullback coming. You can't have this condition right here and just pretend that it's not there. The market can fight it for a little while, but in the end, it's going to correct and pull back, right? Just like it did here. See? You can fight it, but sooner or later, you got to pay the piper. All right? You're here again. Sooner or later, you're going to pay the piper. Okay, if you're not a full access member and you want to be one, stop being cheap. Pay the $145 for the year. It's the best deal you'll find in the market. You'll get full access to everything, including our really cool full access members. There's a lot of really smart traders out there in our live chat room as well as in our message forum. You'll also get access to my portfolio and see what I'm doing and how to make money with me. All right. Tomorrow is Wednesday. We don't have any major news coming out, but next month we do have some more earnings coming out that could prop up the market for a little bit. But I would expect to see some pullback ahead of that earnings data, like you typically see, because people aren't all that certain of what's going to come out. There's a lot to be paying attention to, but right now I'll be watching those major overbought conditions, like I pointed out here in the NASDAQ. I'm sorry, the Dow Jones. Also in the NASDAQ, let me pull that up right quick. Get lost. Where's it at? The infamous overbought RSI condition. That's naughty and not in a good way. So be watching that right there, okay? I'll see you all tomorrow. Let's go make some money.